What's going on, guys? This is Kyle with Obsessed Auto. Today, I have a detail. Got this little Nissan Altima. Just wanted to show you guys what we're dealing with before here. It is definitely used. Alright, so you've seen what the car looks like before. I'm gonna get started on it. I'm gonna actually pull the seats out. Usually I try to stay away from doing that unless I absolutely have to. This one, it looks like there's a whole lot of stains underneath the seats, so we're gonna yank these out of here. Really gonna clean the seats good. They're tan, but if you look at them really close, they look brown, I guess. So yeah, anyways, I've got my work cut out for me. I'm gonna get some water in the steamer, get everything fired up and ready to rock and roll. Get this person's personal belongings out of here, get some of the big trash out of here, and get started making this thing look pretty again. after a long day of cleaning, I've got a locked car on my hands. All right, so here is the final results. Not perfect by any means, however, I think for what she was after, I think this will more than suffice and meet her expectations. Did a whole lot of carpet cleaning. The leather is actually beige instead of a brown color, so we got that going for us. Not sure what was marked on here, whether that was crayon or marker, but some of that stayed, some of it just got a little less noticeable. Head over to the driver's side here. So I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm almost thinking it might be like a fingernail polish or something like that, because it did not come out at all. So that's a wrap on this. Almost. I've got to clean the windows and then wipe down the gauge face. Other than that, this thing's ready to ship. Hopefully she's on her way. And then, yeah, that'll be that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you do like content like this, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom there. If you do want to see what I upload, when I upload it, hit the bell next to it. That'll let you guys know when I upload something. So, hope you guys have a great day.